Hi, I'm Susan. Hope everybody's doing great. Today I'm going to be doing a butter pecan dream cake. It was really tasty and it was really easy. So I hope you'll give it a try. So without further ado, let's get started. For this recipe, you'll need 1 box of butter pecan cake mix, 4 eggs, a package of whipped topping mix, like your Dream Whip type topping. This is a store brand. 1 cup of milk, a teaspoon of vanilla, a 1/2 cup of white chocolate chips, and a 1/2 cup of chopped pecans. I have my oven preheating to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and you want to combine all your ingredients into a large mixing bowl, and using an electric mixer, beat the ingredients for 2 to 3 minutes to incorporate. Now my chocolate chips did sink to the bottom, so next time I'll probably just take just a spoonful of that cake mix and mix it with the chocolate chips and nuts. The nuts were throughout the cake, but the chocolate chips tended to settle at the bottom and it made it stick a little. Now pour your batter into a greased and floured 10-inch Bundt pan. I sprayed mine with Baker's Joy. I always tap mine on the counter just to remove any air bubbles, and you want to bake it for 35 to 40 minutes or until a toothpick inserted in the center of the cake comes out clean. For the glaze, you'll need 1½ cups of powdered sugar, about 2 to 3 tablespoons of milk, and a 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla. Now you just want to mix these things together, and it may take more or less of your milk. I'm used to making glaze, so I really didn't measure anything out. But you just want to get it to where you can kind of drizzle it over the top of your cake. And you can see where my cake over here just kind of stuck just a little bit. And I mean, it was really good. I figured it was the chips. I had my crock pot going also, so I had to kind of work around it. And here it is. It was kind of hot in the kitchen. I think it kind of fogged up my camera, so pictures look a little bit blurry, but it was really good. We really enjoyed it, and it was such an easy cake to make. And it was just, real simple. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Y'all have a great and wonderful day. Take care. Sorry I missed a lot of last week. I just lost track of time and ran out of time. But y'all take care. Bye, y'all.